Recently I got a new question, that is how to know if I have syntax error in my code. Basically I'm using Atom code editor, that's why I'm just finding out like this type of question, and I got an answer. I will give you these 3 links in my video description, so please check my video description. First link is like this. As you can see, if you watch this full video, then you will understand what he's doing here. Okay, alright, so as you can see, install a new package, its name is linter, and when he install this package, if he make any error in the code, they will automatically get this, okay, and they will get the solution also. I think, I'm not sure, but I will give you this link, please check. Okay, so how you can install any package in your Atom. So open Atom and click on here like install package, and again click on open installer package, and when click on open installer package, then you'll see a page like this, and just you need to search these text in Atom. I just paste here and package. It's take some seconds. Okay, alright, so this is linter, and just you need to install these. Okay, I think this package work only JS, not HTML CSS. I think, I'm not sure, but you check this. Okay, so again I'll give you in another link. If you open this, then you'll see something like this, and I just searching here the CSS. So as you can see, the linter says lint, it's only for CSS, I think, I'm not sure. So I hope guys you understand that thing, and I hope if you read this full, I hope you understand that thing. Okay, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, just click on this like button, and if you're new here in my channel, so please consider and subscribe. Thanks.